Okay, so Shiba Inu holders, I am one. I'm right there with you. I have to say this. I have to get this off my chest, and we got to have this conversation. This is rough. Don't you agree? And almost like it just is rough. It's rough owning SHIB right now. It's rough owning any and all cryptos right now. August has not been good. September is not going to be good. By the way, I'm really talking about owning Shiba Inu and or any and all major cryptos for the entire year of 2022. And oh, by the way, into 2023. It's just rough. And I wanted to have this conversation with you to let you know that I feel your pain and I am there with you in the context of what is going on in crypto right now. It is just rough. But here's what I want to say. Don't give up. It's always darkest right before it gets better. It will get better. We got the Bitcoin halving event out there next year. That's going to lift all of crypto. We got those Bitcoin ETFs out there that eventually will get approved. And you are here early. You are here. Crypto is only a $1 trillion market cap, the entire market. You're here early. And I realize that it's hard. I realize that it's rough. And I want you to know that I get it. And I'm here every day with you. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe. Please drop a like. Tell me bottom in the comments how this is for you. Is this rough for you? Because this is hard. It is hard. It's hard every single day. Hear me working for you, trying to help you guys out. It's tough. Now, as far as some stuff I got to get off my chest as far as Shiba Inu, I want you to know that, again, I get it. Shibarium launch was not smooth. Right now, we're trying to get visibility and clarity into burns. What's going to happen with Shibarium? We don't know. It is a rough time, and I'm here every day for you guys. I'm trying to get answers to what's going on with Shibarium, the burns or not. I did a video on that earlier today talking about this. And so again, guys, I feel your pain, okay? And I view my job as an educator, specifically in Shiba Inu, because SHIB is a gateway crypto, which is awesome. What I mean by that is we have people coming in every single day, coming into crypto via SHIB. I love that. I love that a lot of you guys have found crypto through my channel. Thank you truly for your support. But bottom line, it's a rough time right now, okay? And so I'm there with you. I'm trying to get answers for us as we continue to see the Shibarium thing evolve. I'm going to tell you straight up, I don't think we're going to have a lot of answers for Shibarium, the burn rate, what's going to burn or not, for at least probably 5 or 6 months, because we got to see projects deploy on Shibarium. We got to see what that real burn rate's going to be, those amount of daily transactions going through Shibarium. Remember, I'm going to remind you, we just relaunched. We're not that far out of the gate yet. And I'm not saying that in the context of, somebody's trying to call me, apologize. I'm not saying that in the context of like making excuses or anything like that. I want more information as well, but this is where we're at, guys, okay? So again, I wanted to say this, get this off my chest. A, rough time in crypto. B, rough time for Shiba Inu right now because we're trying to get clarity and visibility around Shibarium and what's gonna happen. I wanted you to know that I'm there with you. I feel your pain. I'm living it every day with you as well. But I also wanted to say point blank, it will get better on the Shiba Inu front, on the entire crypto front. It will get better. Please, please do not give up. Do not get frustrated. Do not leave crypto. Don't leave Shiba Inu. Don't, right? I think SHIB's going to go up as we roll along. It's a multi-year, long-term investment for me. Please, please, please don't give up. It's all I have. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you truly for your support. Drop in the comments below. Let me know how you're doing. I want to hear from you. I'll see you. Bye.